Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to have access to one of our digital courses and ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. It's equipped with 49 chapters, full with high quality financial education, made simple, 580 pages long, with a total guide on showing you exactly the lucrative actionable steps to build our asset column and begin to build passive income and capital gains income through sound investing by focusing on that asset column. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Make sure you start investing in today's courses that we have available, because those courses are going to become more valuable as we go along. We're adding more assets and you will always be grandfathered in. So each ebook that we have ever written inside of our community, we have turned it into a digital course of its own, because we're going to update the topic on that ebook as we move along, as new technology arises, right? And everything is evolving. So we're going to add valuable content into those digital courses, exclusive interviews, and you will always be grandfathered in. So think about it, in 5 years from now, what a great investment, because you're just paying a price today that is going to be worth so much in the future, and you're always going to have access to anything that we add in there on that digital course. We have 3 books right now: the 10 New Rules of Money, the one that I just gave you, and how to invest in crypto to build wealth, understanding Bitcoin and blockchain. Today's March 2nd, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flowing Assets. Today's golden rule is focus on the asset column and solving problems. Today's title: Unlocking Fast-Paced Passive Income Strategies for Success Online. Today's digital age, the allure of passive income has captured the imagination of many aspiring entrepreneurs. The promise of earning money while we sleep, lounge on the beach, or pursue other passions is undoubtedly enticing. Fortunately, with the right strategies and mindset, creating passive income online at an accelerated pace is within reach. In today's talk, we will explore actionable steps to help us unlock the potential for fast-paced passive income online. Number 1, understanding passive income. Passive income is revenue generated with minimal ongoing effort or involvement, right? Because an asset puts money into our pocket whenever we're not working. Otherwise, it's not an asset. An asset is a system of systems working hard for us, doing the selling and selling to make us money and solving a problem in the world, right? While it often requires upfront time, money, or resources to set up, once established, it can continue to generate income over time with little maintenance. We oversee the operation, the systems. We don't work in our business, we work on our businesses, which is a very big different approach than people that are self-employed and they have to be in their business because they lack systems, and they are the business, they are the asset. So we want to detach ourselves from our businesses. We never want to build or acquire a business that is going to require us to be there full-time. No, otherwise it's not a business, it's a job. No difference between an asset and liability. In the online realm, passive income opportunities abound, ranging from affiliate marketing and digital product sales to rental income from digital assets like websites or online courses. Number 2, identify profitable niches. The first step in creating passive income online is to identify lucrative niches or markets with a high demand and low competition. Conduct thorough research to pinpoint areas where we can offer valuable products or services that address specific pain points or fulfill unmet needs. Look for niches where we can establish ourselves as an authority and build a loyal audience. Number 3, leverage affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular avenue for generating passive income online. By promoting products or services offered by other companies, we can earn a commission for every sale or referral made through our unique affiliate link. To maximize our earnings, focus on promoting high-quality products or services that align with our audience's interests and preferences. Utilize various marketing channels such as blogs, social media, email marketing, and YouTube to reach potential customers and drive conversions. Number 4, create and sell digital products. I know the lucrative opportunity for generating passive income online is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, software, templates, or digital downloads. Once we have created our digital product, we can automate the sales and delivery process using platforms like Shopify, Teachable, or Gumroad. Invest time in creating high quality, valuable content that addresses specific problems to provide solutions for our target audience. Additionally, leverage marketing tactics like email automation, sales funnels, and content marketing to attract customers and drive sales. Number 5, build and monetize online assets. Building and monetizing online assets such as website, blogs, YouTube channels, or social media accounts can also yield passive income streams. Focus on creating valuable content that attracts a loyal audience and drive traffic to our digital properties. Monetize our online assets through methods like display advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products or services directly to our audience. Continuously optimize our content and marketing strategies to maximize our earnings and grow our passive income streams over time. Number 6, automate and delegate tasks. To truly achieve passive income online, it is essential to automate repetitive tasks and delegate responsibilities whenever possible. Invest in tools, software, or outsourcing services that can streamline our workflow and free up our time to focus on high value activities. Automate processes like email marketing, social media scheduling, customer support, and payment processing to minimize manual intervention and maximize efficiency. Number 7, monitor and optimize performance. Lastly, but not least, regularly monitor and analyze the performance of our passive income streams to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Track key metrics such as revenue, conversion rates, traffic sources, and customer feedback to gain insights into what's working well and what needs adjustment. Experiment with different strategies, offers, and marketing channels to refine our approach and maximize our earnings potential. In conclusion, while creating passive income online requires dedication, persistence, and strategic planning, it is indeed possible to accelerate the process and achieve rapid results. By leveraging profitable niches, affiliate marketing, digital product creation, online assets, automation, and optimization techniques, we can unlock the potential for fast-paced passive income online, stay focused, remain adaptable, and continually refine our strategies to build sustainable passive income streams that provide financial freedom and flexibility in the digital landscape. Thank you for investing time with us on this amazing podcast. Let me know your comments below. And remember to take heavy action on a great idea. That's how we become wealthy. We have to grab the information that we're learning and put it to action into our lives. That's how we turn information into knowledge. All right, click the link in the description. Join our inner circle here at Master Investor, one of our digital courses, how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. Get the ebook, it's a must-have. Let me know your comments. If you have any questions, I'll talk to you in the next podcast. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.